Hello, my name is Henrik Schyffert and I work for Svensk Näringsliv, and I'm here to remind you that the svenska tjej is the grey. The svenska tjej is the vackrast in the världen. Anyone has legat with the svenska tjej. Figo legat svenska tjej, Kofi Annan legat svenska tjej, Dr. Alba legat svenska tjej, Tiger Woods maybe right now ligger med svenska tjej in Florida. Jag vet inte vad klockan är där. He has Elin, you know, 19:e hålet. Because the svenska tjej, it's the grey! The svenska tjej likes the killar to visa känslor instead of the badroom. They thinks it's manligt för svenska män to be like a tant. But it's konstigt because then the tjejgänget go to Grekland and then they want to ligga with a hårig apan with a hajtand runt halsen who behandlar dem like skit. För oss svenska killar blir det lite förvirrande. Look here, the Södertjej, it's an amazing varelse. The Södertjej, she claims that she knows Mange, the papegoja in the Rocky-serie. And she can also fika upp en hel jävla månadslön på en eftermiddag. You gotta love the Södertjej, it's the grey. You can see if the svenska tjej has a kille. She is very piffad if she doesn't have a kille, like this, fröken Wallenberg here. Do you have a kille? No. Exactly. But then when they get the kille, they ballar ut fullständigt and hasar runt hemma i lägenheten with urtvättade bickbockbrallor and don't look like this. If you want to knulla with a svenska tjej, you have to speak the tvärtom språk. You cannot go up to them and say, hey, do you want to knulla? Because then you will get the örfil. You have to say, hey, let's go and köp nya bestick.
Okay.
Yes. Maybe you don't get to knulla på en gång. You have to wait. Hur länge då tror du?
Pressa mig inte.
Maybe 14 dagar. Here, look. If you want a tjej with hår under armarna who svär like a sjöbjörn and works on P3, maybe a Göteborgs tjej is something for dig. The kort tjej, really practiced if you bor trångt. Here also, you know, we have the gamla tjej, you know, now she looks a bit like a mattant, but in the 60-talet, she was crazy. She rökte upp en hel soffa, en badade naken with Pugh Rogefeldt i fontänen i Kungsan. Svenska tjej, it's the grey! Some svenska killar think that they are för fina för svenska tjejer and håller på att krångla med en massa utländska brudar like someone från Brasilien. You know I'm vending me to you, Håkan Hellström, din jävla sjömansbiff. Skärpning! The svenska tjej, it's the grey!